and welcome back to techystack channel. Today we'll try to explore one more topic. So this is in document understanding. So basically you can see here I have the two different files. So one is the image format and another one is a PDF. So from this image we need to extract this table. So you can see the quantity, item number, the one table. We need to extract this information from this image. And similar way we have one more PDF document. So from this document also we have one more table is there. So we need to extract these two tables with the help of document understanding. Now we'll see how we can extract in UiPath. So I'm closing these files. Back to the UiPath Studio, and I have declared all the steps here, and we'll go through one by one. Then the first one is we should load the load taxonomy. So before moving that, go to this taxonomy manager, and I have added here two things. So one is PDF extraction, which is data extraction from the PDF file. So this is a one, and under that I will make the one thing here document type. So this is my document is invoice data, and I created only the table. So under this table, I created all the items. So when I go to this PDF, I have item description, unit price, units, and total. So same thing I declared here. And apart from, I don't want to extract anything from this data table. I mean from this PDF extraction. Similarly, we have image extraction. On the image extraction also I have created the same thing as it is. So under this table, we can see the couple of the things. So quantity, item number, description, unit price, tax, and amount. So these are the data available in this here. So if you see here, quantity, item number, description, unit price, tax, and amount. So these two things are done. So now back to the UiPath Studio again. And one moment, let me close this taxonomy manager. So it's not designed. And I taken the activity, the load taxonomy, so which is load everything into this taxonomy and output is storing into one variable, which is called taxonomy variable. And here I take the digital documentation. So it will just give the input file and it will take extraction data from the particular PDF file or image. And you can use the UiPath document OCR or you can use some multiple OCRs are available here. You can pick any OCR from this. So you can have extract OCR, only page OCR, document OCR, UiPath screen OCR. You can take any OCR. If that is not working as per the expectations, then try with the another OCRs. Okay. And you can see the next step is classify documentation. So we need to give which document is suitable for which one. So I need to give the learning. I need to manage learning. So just click on this here. And I have the things already. I have added a couple of things that is not required. I will just load this one. So add key sets. So this is for image. So let me open this image file and here have the automation anywhere. So I will just update one keyword here. Automation. Okay, one keyword I added. And if you want add, you can add one more thing. So let me add here one more. I will add. So here I will add this sold to and shipped to. Let me take here sold to and shipped to. If you want, you can add more minimum. You can take 5 or 6. So this is better. And I will take one more quantity and description. Let me take variant quantity and final description. So this thing is done. And similar way, I need to go for invoice data and I need to add for this. So let me open this invoice data. So invoice data here, let me go on the top. So I will check here. So it's having the invoices. So I will take this invoice. So this is one. And similar way, I will add one more is, I don't want to add these things. I will add here date. So why? Because the vendor is technology like this is for one time and maybe it may be vary for different one. Na? So I will add one more. You can we can add it here as well. It's not a problem. So anything is fine. You can add anywhere. So and next I will take invoice ID. This is also standard. So let me add this invoice ID. Okay, and I will add one more here. Let me go this invoice data. Okay, if you want, you can control like everything and you can put on the top side. Anything is fine. So it depends upon how you want to do. And here two dates are there. Let it be. It won't affect anything. and I will take here item description and unit price. Later we'll close. So item description and I will take unit price. So this is enough to identify this is the document related to the PDF. Okay, and I will click on save. After that, I need to go to config classifications and I need to check that these two check marks. If I select only this, error will won't disappear. If I not select any or I mean anything, so it will throw this error. So because it's saying that it's not selected. Okay, basically it should throw the error, but I'm not sure why it's not throwing that error. Okay, just I will keep it back to these two things. Okay, so we view that learning. So with this document, if you find this type of data, this related to this particular invoice. And if you find this data, this is related to PDF invoice. So just we are identifying that this is a PDF file or it is a images file. Okay, and giving the class configuration, the invoice data should be updated to the invoice data and image data updated to the image data. This is fine. And later, just come to down data extraction part. So here I just take the form extracted from here. Okay, updated all of these required information and take the form extracted from the activities panel and go to this manage templates. So here we need to create the templates. So the first template which is related to the invoice date. So I will make it as invoice data. You can keep the same name. It's not, I mean, it will won't affect anything. So it's just template name. That's it. If you want, you can change as per the convenient. As of now, I will keep like that only. So let me take this path. So this is my path, and I will take this PDF file. Once this is done, you can keep it as it is and click on this configure. It will take some time to load that particular PDF, and from that PDF, we need to extract. So here we try to extract this data. I mean, data table. So before that, we need to give this is identify this document is related to PDF. So let me take invoice and this invoice date. It should be minimum 5. You can take more than 5 also fine, but it should be minimum is 5. Okay, I have added these things to here. This is done. So now the next part is we need to go extract this data table. So just click on this table and it will open the one pop-up. On right side, you can see the three dots icon. So click on that and select the extract new table. And I'm selecting the table. Okay, and here I will select this item. And this is for the item description. And this is for the unit price. This is for units and total. Okay, just click on save as new table. So it got generated. Okay, now just click on save and close. Okay, this data has been extracted. Just submit that button. Okay, if you want anything, I mean, if you want to edit anything, just click on this edit button and it will go the same page and you can do whatever the modification you require and click on the submit. Okay, just I click on this close and downside here config extractor is there. So here invoice data is there now. So for this purpose, I will take invoice data and click on that save. So first part is completed. Now I will just run till here and we'll check what type of data has been extracted here. So let me keep breakpoint here and I will save this. And I'm running this part. Let me close this document. If it is open also, it no problem. Let me will try. So if it is open also, it will problem anything. And I need to go this variables and document. I need to change this file name. So let me take this copy as the path and I change the file name here. So this is done. I'm running this bot till it will run the export to extraction validation state. So if you got any errors, it will throw on this output window and we need to rectify what type of errors it throws. Based on that, you need to identify and close the issues. So as of now, I think there is no errors. Okay, there is no errors. It's running fine. So execution has been started. So it's opened and we can see this data table has been extracted and we can see this data. Okay, let me click on save and I will submit this data. and I will check what type of variable I given. Here I given the data set. The data set dot tables. It's given something data tables of zero. Let me check. Okay. Okay, you can see this item description, all the data has been updated. So now just click on this stop button and just I will go this downside and I will create one sample Excel file. Let me take the path as well. So here only I will create the file. Let me take, this is my path. So this is my path. Under this I will create one Excel data. I will create like that. Excel data dot Excel assets. This is my format. And here I will make it as 2. Just now we saw that now. So now I will run end to end and we'll see that how output is appearing in Excel file. So if you want, you can disable that validation part while running. Every time it will open this validation part. If you want, you can just disable from here. Just click on this submit, save and continue. So now extraction has been completed. Back to the UiPath, back to the folder here and moving to this Excel data file, and we can see this item descriptions. So whatever the data is available in this file item, the extract data has been extracted successfully. Okay, this is the way how we can extract the data from the PDF point. Now we'll try to explore same thing with this image. Okay, let me close this and I need to take this path. So copy as this path and updating the path here. Running this part and we'll see what type of data it will throw the outside. Let me export this part. As of now, I disable this present validation state. So let me came to here this writing workbook activity. Okay, it's came and let me check these data sets. It looks of one. Okay, it's not having this data. And the two. Okay, here quantity item. Okay, here two things are not extract. The one is item number and another one is the tax which is not extracted properly. So you can just go through and check that. So as of now what I have the data is extracting that, and if you observe this is the data table too. Let me take that. I will take the same thing retain activity one more time. Let me copy and paste it, and here this should be the data table too. Okay, and as of now I have the input has two inputs, so I should be the loop. For that I'm taking for each activity for each activity, and here I need to update directory dot get files. I need to give this path. So let me take this is my path. Okay, at the end I need to give. So after that, everything, each and everything, I need to move to inside of this activity for each activity. So let me push the code, everything inside. So if you want, you can enable this data, I mean present validation station, or else let it be. So this also I need to push it inside and this as well. Okay. Now what I will do now, I will take one if condition. So basically we have the two different files. No? So let me take if condition. Okay. Here I will check. Before checking, I need to run this bot because what type of files are getting, I need to check that. And I need to create one more variable for storing the file. Okay, I taken this as an activity and I mention document path and I will mention yes current text or to string. Okay, I'm just running this one. Okay, I will just check document path. So if you see it's having .pdf extension. Okay, just I will check. If it is related to .pdf extension, then it move to the PDF file. Okay, I will just check here. Current item text. Before that, I will make it as instr my path, and it should be equal to .pdf greater than 0. Then it should go and update this PDF data table. If it is not, then it says to go and update this data. Okay. Now we need to find the document dot file. So we need to get the file name as well. I'm running one more time because I need to get the file name as well. So I need to use a string operation. Let me take this get file document path dot to string. So I got this is the file name. So directly I will update this as a file name. Okay, let me update here. I will update the for the both the things. I'll just remove it data and this is the thing is done plus this should be plus. Now this is done. Let me copy and update the same here. And here also I need to update the sheet name. So whatever the file Excel file name is, the same thing I need to update as a sheet name as well. So let me do the top as well. Okay, now everything is completed. So just I will run this bot for the two scenarios. It will run. Just I'm running this. We'll see how the bot will execute. So here two different files are there. One is a PDF and another one is a it's a image. Now we have to wait till to execute this bot. And if you have any doubts, please push on the comment section and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Let me go to this output and you can see this. So I have the invoice one. In the invoice one, which is related to this one. So I added forget two headers. So just added the headers. This is for invoice data. Let me open the same thing. We got this data. Okay. And similarly, one more file invoice 91309. Okay, it's not with this, it's give the only table. So because it's having some issue means not the issue. So what we need to do now, let it go. So if it should be one or something say. So then we will get. So I will show that as well why this is not applied. So let it run till here. Let me check this data set dot table. So one. So it's give the table and let me check. Okay, two. This is two. For both, it's giving two. Then no problem. No need to use the if condition. Directly, I will. Okay. Anyway, we need the if condition. Okay, it's not required the if condition. Let me put the top on the side, and this is should be for the two. Let me run this for rerunning. So execution has been completed, and I will go this invoice. So this one only have the issue, no? So and you can see this everything is done. Okay, and similar, I will go to this one invoice and add the data has been appeared. So this is the way one of the method how we can extract the two different files. One is a PDF and another is an image. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.